time for some more power. So I am going to head to a VP Racing gas station that is about 50 minutes away from me to fill up on 100 octane of unleaded fuel. So because I'm doing that, with that I'm going to be running the JB4 race map on here. You have to have 100 octane and it'll target with the back end flash a little over 20 PSI for sure. So since I have that back end flash, that's where I'm gonna get over that 20 PSI. It's definitely gonna be a fun time, and I'm excited to share the videos with you guys as far as the differences and how the car is gonna feel with the added octane and the right map that's on there. So looking forward to it. Let's go ahead, head on up there and get topped off. Hey guys, alright, so I'm about maybe 25 minutes away now to the Shell station that has the VP Racing Fuel 100 octane unleaded. So that's what I'm using. It used to be a Sunoco station, so it was Sunoco called Sunoco 250, which was the 100 octane. They also have 110 octane, but that's leaded. I'm just doing 100 just because of my setup, of course, right now. And that's all I need for the JB4 for the race map, and that's all I need to do, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm trying to go slow just because I'm actually running out of gas. So I have 30 miles left to my tank, so that's why I'm trying to get it pretty much all the way empty. So when I put that 100 octane in, that's why I'm trying to conserve gas right now, just because of yeah, I need to still make it there. So moving right along, and I cannot wait to get that fuel in there and run the map. That is just gonna make a huge difference as far as how this car is gonna drive. Have it right there, VP pump right on the side. Alright guys, cam 2, 100 octane, full tank of gas, ready to rock and roll. Heading back home now, I'm letting the fuel kind of mix in a little bit, get through the system, and then I'm going to change it to map 7. Now since I've been driving for a couple miles, right, it's kind of through the system, I guess to say that's what I wanted to do. Now let's go ahead and switch it on the fly to map 7. Here's how easy it is to go ahead and switch that map. Here I got the mobile app going right now. Now we're gonna come over here. I'm gonna do volume down button and arrow down button at the same time. That means I'm on map 1. See how I can do this while still driving? That's what makes it nice. So we're gonna use the up arrow button and go to map 7. Because 0 is the map, so I'm on map 1. Map 7. And we're gonna hit the volume down button to exit out. So now I'm on map 7. Simple as that. We'll drive a little bit more, let it kind of get used to things, and I'll open it up. 7 pole. 60 miles an hour. All right, 15 gallons of Cam 2 100 octane unleaded with the JB4 on race map 7. Now with the back end flash, it's going to target 20 PSI versus the 18.5 if you just had the JB4. That's why adding on that back end flash helps out everything, bumps up the boost, switches all the timing, fueling, all that to the DME side because that's where the flash is, and then the JB4 just retains the boost control, and then of course all the other gauge features. So car's sitting back, drove nice, poles felt really nice. Now I'm going to review some data logs so that way we can take a look at things, and then I'm going to take it out again just to get a couple more poles, share those videos with you guys. So a lot more map 7 poles here coming up. Just make sure we have it all dialed in and it's good to go. Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. See ya.